So, guys, quiet, please. Some of you guys are having trouble wrapping. You gotta make sure that, so for this to work, you gotta make sure you have enough lapels to sway these are great. Okay? So, oh, sorry. Under. See how I move my head? So I can wrap it tight. The way that, I haven't done this in a while, but the way that this works good is like you go here and we go here. Okay? And then, okay? So you trap them, of course, because seldom are they going to just let you wrap this. Okay? Well, you there you go. Yeah, he's got it there. So look, as I scoot out here, okay, I load his weight. This is scissor sweep right here. Okay? As I sweep him, I want to get right about here. Okay? Because you want to trap his shoulder. Or choke this way. You get that leg X choke or on there. Okay? So you have to think kind of ahead. Because if you dump him over, you're not going to get your leg over. So here, look. See? Wrap that one. Okay? Still works here. Still have it, same. Also, if you notice, he kind of lands. Sorry. What I'm doing, I'm rolling his arm here. So I'm not even extending. Okay. This one just hooks your head. Tight as it is. The way this works is you have this arm lock here, pull the razor here, and he kind of gets underneath it. Yeah. And he hooks underneath here, save his arm right here, yeah. And he starts coming up. You have a triangle. If he recognizes the triangle, pulls his head down. So you have that. So, anyways, we'll start close guard. We'll see who can get it. Probably nobody, but it's okay. 1, 2, 3.
You don't watch that. You're hard. My face, my